In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a YouTube thumbnail in Canva. By the end, you'll have a bold, clickable thumbnail that's sized correctly and ready to upload, even if you're brand new to Canva. Start by opening your browser and searching for Canva. Click the official Canva website in the results. Once you're on the home page, log in with your preferred method, or create a free account if you don't have one yet. Being signed in ensures you can save your work and download it at full quality. Next, click Create a Design. In the search bar that appears, type YouTube thumbnail and select it from the suggestions. This preset gives you the correct dimensions automatically, so you don't have to worry about sizing later. You can now browse YouTube thumbnail templates for inspiration or start with a blank page. Templates are great for seeing layout ideas and color combinations, and you can still swap out everything to match your content. If you prefer full control, a blank canvas works perfectly too. Upload a photo of yourself or the main object of your video. Drag and drop it into the editor. For a clean, attention-grabbing cutout, use Canva's background remover if it's available in your plan, or use a free background remover like Adobe Express, then bring the cutout back into Canva. Position the subject so there's clear space for your text, typically on one side. Head to the Elements tab and search for gradient, abstract, or a blurred scene that matches your topic. Add one as your background and tweak its size and transparency until the subject stands out. Simple, high-contrast backgrounds help your text and face pop. Select your cutout photo, open Edit Image, then go to Shadows and add glow or outline. This YouTuber outline is commonly white or a bright color. Adjust the size, transparency, and blur so it looks crisp without overpowering your image. Add short, readable text, about 3 to 5 words. Don't repeat your video's title. Instead, create a hook that teases the value or outcome viewers will get. Make it punchy and specific. Choose bold, sans-serif fonts like Anton, League Spartan, or Horizon. Increase the font size generously so it's legible on phones, and keep contrast high. To ensure your words are readable over the background, place the text on a solid shape from Elements under Shapes. Use a color that contrasts both the background and your text, and align everything cleanly without crowding the edges. When you're happy, click Share, then Download. Choose PNG or JPG and aim for a file size under 2 MB to meet YouTube's requirements. If needed, switch to JPG or lower the quality slightly to reduce size. Save your file, and you're ready to upload your new thumbnail.